Welcome back to Natural Healthy Care, where we share powerful health tips that can transform your life. Today, we're focusing on an essential part of your body, your kidneys. These small but mighty organs play a critical role in filtering waste and toxins from your blood. But did you know there are certain foods that can help cleanse your kidneys naturally and quickly? Let's dive into the top 5 foods that can give your kidneys a boost. Keeping your kidneys healthy is crucial for overall well-being, so incorporating these foods into your diet is a smart move. First up, cranberries. These tiny berries are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that are particularly effective in preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs. But did you know they can also help cleanse your kidneys? Cranberries contain compounds that prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infection and keeping your kidneys functioning smoothly. Next, we have beets. These vibrant root vegetables are rich in nitrates, which help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. This is crucial for kidney health because high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. Beets also contain betaine, a compound that can help reduce the formation of kidney stones by preventing calcium buildup. Lemon juice is another powerhouse for kidney health. It's high in citric acid, which helps increase urine citrate levels. This can help prevent kidney stones and flush out toxins from the kidneys. Drinking a glass of lemon water first thing in the morning can kickstart your detox and support overall kidney function. Watermelon is not only delicious, but also incredibly hydrating. Since your kidneys rely on proper hydration to function efficiently, eating watermelon can help flush out toxins. It's also rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports kidney function. Plus, its high water content acts as a natural diuretic, promoting increased urine flow. Last but not least, turmeric. This golden spice has powerful anti-inflammatory properties thanks to its active compound, curcumin. Inflammation can lead to kidney damage over time, so incorporating turmeric into your diet can help reduce this risk. It's also known for its detoxifying effects, helping to cleanse the kidneys and support overall health. By adding these 5 foods to your diet, you're giving your kidneys the support they need to stay healthy and efficient. But remember, a balanced diet and proper hydration are key to maintaining kidney health. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips that can make a difference in your life. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from a natural kidney cleanse, and let's all take steps towards better health together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.